Alright, we're gonna go over the trades that I did today. The date is 2/8/2019. This trade was done early in the morning. We're just gonna focus on the $40. Again, this is just a little quick entry, 10 contracts. This is on a large account. Take contract at 62 and sold at 66. As you can see, I sold really early, but I'm just testing something out. This is just a little 4-cent scalp. I really could have held it much longer, but I just wanted in and out. I'm trying to, while I wait for my the 2.5K to actually have the right commissions, because right now my commissions were basically normal commissions, and I didn't want to trade with normal commissions. I want to trade with my discounted commissions, so that's what I'm waiting on. In the meantime, this is just a large account, just trying some things here and there. So again, 10 contracts at 62. This is on the put side. 269 is a strike. They expire on the 8th, so tomorrow. I'm sorry, today. So got in 62 cents. 64 cents is my target price. Hit it, sold it. I'm in and out. $40, real fast. Just a tiny little scalp. This, don't mind the change, this is actually a swing trade at $52. That's just a swing trade. And it was up like, I was up like 250, and then it went down after hours. I'm actually doing this at 6:57 p.m. I went on a motorcycle ride, came back, and decided to go ahead and record this. But that's it. I will, by the way, the reason it's taking me so long to put these videos out on YouTube is because I'm learning how to edit. I've been having a lot of issues with the audio. Anyhow, I finally got it down, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the videos out on YouTube, and I'll be posting everything on my social media. Please follow me, subscribe, etc. Also watch me from 8:30 a.m. Central Time on Twitch at twitch.tv. It's basically Sticks_trades. That's my Twitch name. Basically I start at open, which is 8:30 Central Time, my time, all the way until about noon. But lately I've been trading all the way until 3 p.m., which is closing bell. Alright, thanks again. Y'all have a good one.